name is Daniel Coyle. I'm the Managing Director of Ryebridge Construction.
I'm Joe Hankins and I'm a Graduate Project Manager at Ryebridge Construction.
When I was their age, I also did a BTEC in construction, and that gave me the insight into the industry, which allowed me to eventually set up my own business. Having gone through the process myself, I see the benefit of BTECs and also apprenticeships for young people, and specifically in Luton, I think it's a good thing. One thing, when I did my BTEC, we weren't offered work experience. We were in the middle of a recession and there were no jobs about. What I think the benefit is that it's obvious that the students can actually see the work happening on site as opposed to in a classroom. So I think it's very beneficial to them to actually be out there and getting their boots dirty.
Yeah, so as a local lad myself from Luton, I think that the work experience benefit is really good. What you learn at Barnfield College in your classrooms, you can then portray onto site, and you learn a lot more from that.
We, as a business, have been taking students on now for about 8 years. We recently had a student that actually got their first degree. It's something we're quite proud of, and we would love to continue doing that. One thing that we've noticed is that Luton as a town and the businesses within Luton are now starting to look to recruit locally, which obviously is good for us because it means that we can get more work, which means we can get more, take on more apprentices.
Hello, my name is Taha and I'm studying Level 3 Civil Engineering.
Hi, my name is Devansh and I'm learning Level 3 Civil Engineering.
When I first arrived, I looked at the site drawings with an engineer and learned what they mean and how to read them. Then I went out with an engineer and used the total station, and I learned how to use the total station and how to read the drawings of the total station. I learned this in college already, but it was good to have an opportunity to physically use the total station rather than just learn about it.
I've learned a lot in these 2 days. In college I've learned about concrete, but coming on site I've seen it and put it in practice. I've also learned about how they test concrete level.
During my time at Ryebridge, I've learned a lot of skills, but if I had to summarize them, I'd probably put them as communication and teamwork. As I was interacting with the engineers and the labour while they were pouring concrete, and the engineer while he was teaching me how to use the total station. It also gave me the opportunity to put skills I've learned at college in a classroom into practice on a site, which I think was very helpful.
So I've learned people skills, speaking with different engineers, technicians and site operatives, problem solving, so I know how to quickly adapt and deal with setbacks in a real life situation.